Hello everyone, my name is Doris Kaufman. You can call me Professor Kaufman or Miss Kaufman or teacher or Instructor Kaufman, your choice, and I want you to be comfortable in this class. In this course we're actually going to have quite a few instructors. Your 3 free textbooks are authored by people who did this for professional benefit to students. We want to go to a zero-cost textbook world. This is my effort for us to engage that. We also will have scientists and doctors and other healthcare professionals we will be reading their material and thinking about what they are saying and choosing to believe and maybe question, be a little skeptical about some of the things that we hear and see, particularly when it comes to self-choice. A lot of our behaviors, a lot of our needs to look at our behaviors and see what we're comfortable with is based on self-choice. As we begin this course, I'd like to ask you just to take a minute, piece of paper or perhaps a notepad on your computer screen, and jot down what is an inspiration or a motivation for you today in our C world, as we all come to know this. What's an inspiration to you? For me, your instructor and fellow learner, I might add, it's growing up on the farm that my family had. Nature itself is a great teacher. And I find that the lessons I learned from the people, the domestic livestock, the earth itself, the wild animals, those lessons stay with me and continue to guide me and are an inspiration when the world seems a little crazy to me of the humankind. So what is a guide for you? Just take a minute and jot down. Could be a poem or a song, could be a slogan that you're using to empower yourself and to get up every day and feel good. It could be the face or the picture of someone that you love. What inspires you right now? Think this over, jot it down, and keep it. We will be interacting as a group, and I want us to be able to share what we feel comfortable and safe with sharing, but something that's real about you and about me. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.